What if numbers could be based on any number, not just 10, what we call decimal or 2 binary? So let me tell you, in general, a number in a base R system has, remember, coefficients multiplied by power of base R. For example, we have a number in binary. These are the coefficients and this is the base. Each one of these coefficients gonna multiplied with this base, 1 multiplied with 2. Similarly, every coefficient in this parenthesis gonna multiplied with this base R, and then we have to assign powers, like we have to take start from this coefficients and the base that is connecting to this coefficient, that is 0, and it has a base R, so we have to take start from this base, so it will receive 0, then we have to proceed towards the left 1, then we have 2, 3 and 4, and then comes the negative sign. 2 and white is actually for fraction part of this binary, so it will get, as this one is multiplied with 2, so it will get -1, and this one is again multiplied with its base, that is 2, so it will receive -2. After having some calculations, it will have this answer and will have this 16, and finally it will be equal to 26.75. Alright, so let's consider another number. Now this is a decimal number, 7392. So 7 gonna multiply with 10, 3 gonna multiply with 10, 9 gonna multiply with 10, and 2 gonna multiply with 10. And as we don't have a decimal point, so we have to start assigning power to this base 10 that is connecting to this 2, 0, then 1, 2, 3. Alright, this is octal number, and this 4 gonna multiply with 8, 7 gonna multiply with 8, and 5 gonna multiply with 8. Assign power, so this 8 will get 0, 1, 2, so on. Remember, these coefficients in decimal number, it will range from 0 to 9, and as it is base 8, here the coefficients will be from 0 to 7. We always have the range, or the maximum number we can go through will be one less than this space. We come that we have to multiply the coefficients with the base. Remember that this subscript of coefficient and this power of base are same, alright, all the way along. So you have to remember that we have to multiply coefficient with base having power, and this power is depends on position of the number. This flexible structure allows different bases to represent the same quantities in unique ways depending on the value of R. It is the universal framework for all positive number system. To tell them apart, we need special notation. Let's see how.